In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal account limited 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your account status. You want to log into your PayPal account and you'll see the reason for limitation at the top. If that is not the case, then PayPal also sends an email explaining why your account is limited. Simply check your inbox, spam, or junk folders. Also, if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and log into PayPal and click on Resolve All Left Limits, which is going to be on the screen as a pop-up. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and make sure that you have verified your identity, provide a valid government ID like passport, driver's license, or national ID, and make sure that the document is clear and up to date. If that is not the case, submit a recent utility bill or bank statement in order to go ahead and confirm your address. And you may be asked for more details about transactions, source of funds, or businesses. So answer honestly and provide accurate info. If that is not the case, you want to make sure that your account has two-step verification enabled or clear outstanding issues or balances and wait for PayPal review. So it is as simple as that. If nothing works, then simply try contacting paypal.com/help.